Hello students, welcome to CR Digital Classes. In the present video, we are going to understand about the search engines and directory services. What exactly are search engines? A search engine can be defined as a software system designed to search information on the internet. That is the search engine. So this engine is useful to search for the information whatever we require with the help of internet. So directories, the search engines are considered to be most popular method in finding sites. So the search engines operates by taking user defined words, boolean expression in search bar. So the generated search results are represented in a line of strings, which are the list of closely matched websites and often called as search engine results pages, SERPs. This is called as SERPs. So this will give us the results. Whatever we are asking for in searching for the information, this will be generating the result according to our need. So the generated result content may be combination of web pages, images, various types of files like PDFs, it may be HTML, it may be. So according to the information we are asking, whatever are available, it will be generating that files. Then when the user types certain string in search bar, the click enters, the search engine periodically crawls through the internet searching for new pages and updates the existing database. So it is generating one after the other. Initially it will show some of the files. Later it will be still whatever are existing available. It will be displaying one by one. Then the speed with which the engine performs updation and searches have major impact on the total number of sites indexed as well as on the revenue to the site. That is, the more number of clicks to the site by user, the higher income to the site owner. The designing of a web page must be done in such a way that it should increase the site's hit rates and ranking. So when the more clicks are, we are trying to search more, when the more sites are available, it is generating, then it will be getting more increase. That is, hits will be increasing. When the hits are increasing, the clicks are increasing, automatically it will be standing for the first, the ranking for the first. Then for hit rates and ranking is very important because the designing of website list on internet entirely depends on it. So on the other hand, based on the hit rates, ranking is assigned to the websites. The website with maximum hit rate is ranking first. Next comes next. So whichever is having maximum hits, that will be standing for the first. Then keywords, that is keyword tag. It identifies keywords for search engines that uses the information. So when we are typing the information in a sentence, it will try to take word by word. Accordingly, it will be providing the information. Then description tag, it is a body of text generated by search engine in order to describe the contents of the websites. Then title tag, it is a title of the website list which is typically generated by search engines. So it will be taking in the form of keyword, and it will be taking in the form of description, and also it will be taking in the form of title tag. Then meta tags and frequency of words plays a critical role in search engines. A repeated word throughout the page can increase the rating for searches using that word. So although this form of searching is most prevalent, it has been known that few website designers had made an incorrect use of it. So this enabled search engines designers to make it as an abuse act, and such abuses are referred to search engine spamming. So when the words whatever is given mega tags, that is the frequency of words will be playing an important role. So the word will be repeated throughout the page. So some of the web designers are using it in an incorrect way, which is coming under Abuse Act. So and it is known as search engine spamming. Then this sort of spamming is done using any following methods. In first method, the word is consecutively repeated at prescribed intervals in the keyword section. And in the second method, the word is repeated using the same color text as the background all over the page. Such words on the web pages becomes invisible to the user, but it will be visible to the search engine. So these are the two methods they will be using for spamming. One is the word will be repeated consecutively, and then the second method is where background it will be repeated. But for the users it is not visible, invisible to the users, but search engine it will be visible. So this results in degrading the ranking of the website and may also result in dropping the sites from indexes. Then depending upon the criteria, engines perform certain criteria, that is ranking. One is location of the words on websites, other one is popularity of links. So this ranking is done based on the location of the words on the website. The listing of words is done in order of importance. So that is the words which are highly important or placed closer to the top of the page. Then when we are giving the words in the search engine, so whichever are the close will show immediately, then later which are not closely related will be following that. So popularity of links, the links represent how popular the links are. If the link's popularity is high, then its rank will also be high. Then an ideal site is that site, its links are the created from other sites. So some of them will be showing directly popular links, and other links show where information is available in that site. The links will be displayed. Then reviewing sites, the search engines performs the task of site reviewing, and after reviewing it, they rank the reviewed site prior to non-reviewed sites. Therefore, sites are relevant if they are attention gaining. So mostly when we are reviewing, that is on a particular topic we are reviewing. So that will be followed. Whenever we are in search, that will be displayed. Then case sensitive, the search engines can be case sensitive. In such, if the words are repeated with many variations, then the search engines pulls that sites and displays in the list. Then directory services, as we have manual directories like telephone directory and other directories where we can search for the information. So that will be usually, if we see telephone directory, it will be chronological, that is alphabetical order. So in the same way, in online also we have directories or online advertising mechanism. So these directories are new online advertising mechanism that helps in representing business functionalities. So whatever information is there, it will help us in giving that information, providing that information. These functionalities are represented in the index format that lists and supplies links to the websites. So the listing of the websites can be done either alphabetically or category wise. So it will be sometimes giving in the alphabetical order and or category wise it will be giving. So the indexes which are listed category wise displays the indexes in a sequential order. Again it will follow some order like sequential order. So the users click on the category, one category, they are then navigated to the respective page. However, the role of directory services is critical. This is necessary because if any category is missing or listed somewhere else, the user may think that intended content is not present on that website, on that site. So this is very important category wise. So if at all any information that any site is missing, we feel that the content is not available in that. Then apart from this, there exist many directory services that depict the organization businesses in multiple categories. So these directory services that registers the websites free of cost. Like Just Dial we have, so it will be showing a lot of information whenever we are trying to search for any of the thing. So some of these include InfoSeek, Internet Mall, the Yellow Pages and Yahoo. So these are the examples for directory services. Then the question is asked about this topic is, he may be asking in the short one of it like search engines, or he may be asking in a essay question, write about the search engines and directory services. Hope this video is helpful in understanding about search engines and directory services. Thank you.